Okay, it's time for our next guitar gear giveaway, and this time we're giving away a Zoom GX1 4 effects pedal. And this thing does a lot. I even had to write it down. I couldn't remember it all. It has over 70 effects. It has amplifier and cabinet modeling. Very cool. Expression pedal with wah and volume, but also can control delay and pitch. Very cool. 5 effects simultaneously. Over 60 drum patterns and a looper. So this would be great for songwriting if you're a songwriter and you want to use a drum loop. Use a drum pattern with a looper and loop it over so you can write songs on it. This thing's great. It's a great little pedal. It has a lot in it. And so what you have to do to win, be a subscriber, leave a comment, and give it a like. I just want to let you know you have to be a subscriber. In my last 2 contests, we've had people who would have won with their comments and guesses on my pick counting guess. They would have won, but they weren't a subscriber. So you got to be a subscriber. Plus, you want to subscribe. We got another contest happening this summer. Plus, all kinds of stuff. I have gear reviews, guitar lessons, box openings, just all kinds of great fun stuff. So subscribe to my channel, enter this contest. Have a great day.